For the back bodice pattern, we will need a 1-inch space along the edge of our pattern paper for the zipper allowance. So we will go out 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters. Then we will connect all these points. We will write zipper allowance. We will fold this in. And on this side of the pattern paper, we will write center back. On the top side, we will square our guideline. For the neckline, we will go out 2.5 inches or 6.4 centimeters. We mark this. We will square this down to around 1 3/4 inches or 4.5 centimeters. Then, from the guideline, we will go down 1 1/4 inches or 3.2 centimeters for a medium-sized figure. We mark this. Then, we square this outwards. From this corner, we go up 1/2 of an inch or 1.3 centimeters. We mark it. Then, from the edge of the pattern paper, we go out 1 1/4 inches or 3.2 centimeters. We mark this. So now, we can actually draw the neckline curve. With a smooth curve line. The shoulder measurement for a medium figure is 15 inches or 38 centimeters. We fold the tape measure once to get 1/2 of the shoulder measurement. We lay the tip of the tape measure on the center back on the guideline until 1/2 of the shoulder measurement. We mark this. Then, with a colored pencil, we will square this 12 inches or 30 centimeters. Now, from this point of 1/2 of the shoulder measurement on the guideline, we will get the shoulder slope and we will go down to 1 3/4 inches or 4.5 centimeters. We mark this. Now, we will connect these 2 points to form our shoulder line. So now, we have our neckline curve and our shoulder line. With this, we can make the adjustment for our neckline. From this point, we go out 1/4 of an inch or 0.6 of a centimeter. We mark this. Then, we will just reshape the neckline this way. We will cross this out. We always do the neckline adjustment after we have established our shoulder line. This way, we don't alter the angle of our shoulder line. Otherwise, if we do the neckline adjustment before we do the shoulder line, then we will be connecting from this point going down here. In other words, there will be an alteration of the shoulder angle which we are avoiding. We lay the tip of the tape measure on the guideline on 1/2 of the shoulder measurement to get our armhole level. For the medium figure, the armhole level of the back bodice pattern is 9.5 inches or 24.1 centimeters. We mark this. Now we will square this outwards. So this is our armhole level and our bust level. The bust measurement for a medium figure is 34 inches or 86.5 centimeters. We fold the tape measure twice to get 1/4 of the bust measurement. We lay the tip of the tape measure on the center back until 1/4 of the bust measurement. Now, we will have to subtract 1/2 of an inch or 1.3 centimeters. We cross this out. Remember that we added 1/2 of an inch or 1.3 centimeters on our front bodice pattern for the bust easing, and we borrowed this from the back. So now we have to subtract this from the back. To get the back chest level, we have to lay the tip of the tape measure on the end of our shoulder line, and we fold this until the bust level. We get the center of the fold. We mark this. This now will be the back chest level. We will square this outwards. The back chest level for a medium figure is 14 inches or 35.5 centimeters. We fold the tape measure once to get 1/2 of the back chest measurement. We lay the tip of the tape measure on the center back until 1/2 of the back chest measurement. We mark this. For a sleeveless dress, the back chest is just 1/2 of an inch or 1.3 centimeters away from the 1/2 of the shoulder measurement. So just in case you fail to get the back chest measurement, just go out 1/2 of an inch or 1.3 centimeters away from the 1/2 of our shoulder measurement. As we have these 3 points, we can actually draw our armhole curve. From 1/2 of the shoulder measurement, draw a line to 1/2 of the back chest measurement. Draw a straight line. Then, extend this line until the bust level. With this, I hope that it will be easier for you to draw the armhole curve for the back bodice pattern. We lay the tip of the tape measure on the center of our shoulder line to get the back figure level. For a medium figure, the back figure level or measurement is 14.5 inches or 37 centimeters. We mark this. Then, we square this outwards. We get the back figure level so that we can determine where we will plot our waistline. The waist measurement for a medium figure is 28 inches or 71 centimeters. We fold the tape measure twice to get 1/4 of the waist measurement. We lay the tip of the tape measure on the center back until 1/4 of the waist measurement. We mark this. Then, to find out if we will add a waistline easing, we have to refer to the front bodice pattern. As you can see, we added a 1/4 of an inch or 0.6 centimeters waistline easing on our front bodice pattern. So we will do the same here. We will also add 1/4 of an inch or 0.6 of a centimeter on the back bodice pattern. We mark this. We can actually draw or connect these 2 points for the side seam. But for the back bodice pattern, we always follow the length of the side seam of our front bodice pattern. We do this first by closing the dart. Then, we also have to square this waistline with a waistline easing 2 inches up or 5 centimeters. And we also square this down to 2 inches or 5 centimeters. Now, as we will be following the length of our side seam of the front bodice pattern, we will lay this corner, the armhole and the side seam corner of our front bodice pattern on the armhole and the side seam mark of our back bodice pattern. So we will lay our front bodice pattern this way, aligned to the corner of the back bodice pattern, and we will move the front bodice pattern until the corner of the waist of our front bodice pattern touches the mark that we did for the back bodice pattern. We mark this. This now will be the waistline level. So we will cross this out. We will square this outwards. This will be our new waistline level and waistline measurement. Now we will connect these 2 points to mark our side seam line. We have actually completed our back bodice pattern. Before we finally cut our back bodice pattern, we have to check if all our measurements are correct. We also might as well label this. So this is the back chest level. This is the bust level. And this is the medium pattern. Once we've checked if all our measurements are correct, we will need to place a hidden dart here, as we have also placed a hidden dart on our front bodice pattern. We do this by getting a 1/2 of an inch or 1.3 centimeters dart allowance. Then, we draw 2 vanishing lines to form our dart. Since this is a hidden dart, we will have to permanently close this. And we will have to reshape our armhole curve. Now we can cut our back bodice pattern. We keep the zipper allowance folded so that it follows the shape of the neckline. Here now is our back bodice pattern for the medium figure. And this is the front bodice pattern.